Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best food processor blender combo that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Renewed Ninja BL773CO Food Processor Blender All-in-One. The top second food processor blender combo is from Amazon Renewed. This pitcher could hold about 72 ounces of food. The motor power of this machine is about 1,500 watts. It also has 2 dynamic horsepower, which means this product will work faster and more precisely. Furthermore, the food processor could hold about 8 cups of food in it. It could chop veggies and fruits as well as make the dough within less than 60 seconds. Besides that, it has a crushing technology that could crush the frozen fruit and ice to make smoothies and frozen drinks in a few minutes. It also has a shredder disc and reversible slicer that you can use to slice food like cucumber, potato, tomato, pepper, celery and more. This product is perfect to use to prepare drinks for a family. You can put this blender in the dishwasher. It also comes with some getting started recipes, an instruction book, and a quick start guide. The company offers a 90 days full refund warranty. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ninja 400 Watt Blender Food Processor for Frozen Blending. The food processor blender combo that tops the list is from Ninja. The unit comes in only one color, which is silver. It is very easy to use as you only need to touch a pulsing function and it will start operation. There are 2 size jars which you can use whichever you want. Furthermore, it is resistant to spill, thanks to the splash guards offered. The pour spout is also very easy to flip and it also has a non-slip base. There is a food processor that you can add about 2 cups of food in. Adding to that, you can use it to chop, dice, blend, mince and puree the food as well. You can wash it by using a sponge. All of the parts of this blender is dishwasher free. The motor power of this machine is about 400 watts. It is BPA free too. Besides that, this pitcher can be added to about 6 cups of food. In the package, it comes with a 6-blade set and 4 blades. It provides a 1-year warranty too. If you have any problems with this food processor blender, come to Ninja, and they will fix it for you until you are pleased. At number 3, we have the vHamilton Beach 12-cup stack and snap food processor and vegetable chopper. Another food processor blender combo that you do not want to miss is from Hamilton Beach. The motor power of this blender is 450 watts. Besides that, there are plus controls and 2 speeds which can help the blender to blend very fast and quick according to your needs so that you do not waste your time. Assembly is required, but it will be very easy and fast. To prevent the mixture from leaking, the bowl is designed to be sealed too. Plus, it is BPA free. Additionally, its blades are made of stainless steel. The S blade of this blender can be used to chop meat, garlic, bread, herb, cracker and more. Adding to that, it also has a shred disc and reversible slice that you can use to slice food such as mushroom, tomato, cucumber, peppers, etc. At number 2, we have the Ninja Blender Food Processor with 450 watt base. Ninja is another exceptional food processor blender combo. This product is removable and you can put it in the dishwasher too. The power of this blender is 450 watts. Black is the only color that has been offered. You can blend food, veggies, fruits, and ice in a matter of minutes with its pulse technology. The capacity that the pitcher could handle is 48 ounces. Besides the pitcher, Ninja Blender Food Processor also has a processor bowl that you could hold about 40 ounces of food. There is a chopper bowl that you can add about 16 ounces of food in it too. In addition, it comes with a 6-blade set and 4-blade set. Last but not least, it also provides you lids to keep your food, or smoothies, fresh after blending or grinding. The unit is also BPA free for your safety. And finally, at number 1, we have the FOCHEA 3 Indiana 1, blender and food processor combo. FOCHEA is another unit that is packed with features. The motor power of this product is 700 watts and 24000 RPM. This product has 3 functions, which are a chopper, blender, and grinder. Furthermore, this machine lets you chop cheese, meat, and frozen ingredients very quickly. It also takes you only a few minutes to grind spices, coffee, and nuts. Moreover, its blade is made of stainless steel, which you can use to blend or chop all types of food and veggies, no matter if it is dry, wet or frozen. Also, it is very easy to use and clean it as well. They also provide you with a blender bottle, which is 570 milliliters, that you can carry around with you easily. Adding to that, you can use it to make shakes, cereals, fruit yogurts, smoothies, and baby foods without a hassle as well. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.